Hey guys, it's Kevin from Kevin is Cooking, and today I'll be sharing with you my authentic Mexican guacamole. Now I gotta say, there's about a million different ways to do guacamole, but I was recently down in Mexico and traveling all around. I consistently saw this version all over, so I asked someone how to do it, and this is what they showed me. What we got is avocados. We're gonna dice it up, a little salt, a little pepper, cut a lime or lemon in half, use half of that, put that in, mix it up, and then what we got is a small yellow onion. We're gonna dice it fine. And typically they said to rinse it, get rid of the really harsh, bitter flavor. We're gonna mix that in with diced serranos, tomatoes, and chopped cilantro. Mix that in with the avocados, and you have the perfect guacamole. It's super simple and the best flavor. Great for tacos, over grilled meats, dipping tortilla chips, whatever, game day, Sunday afternoon, you name it. Let me show you how to do it.